When it comes to all-in-one appliances, you get what you pay for with the Tokit Omni Cook Chef Robot. Does the job of 21 kitchen appliances, allowing you to chop, beat, blend, whip, weigh, mill, knead, mince, and more. You can use it to whip up everything from banana bread and scones to butter chicken, pumpkin soup, boiling pasta, making bread dough, or mashed potato. The recipe possibilities run into the many thousands. Making food yourself is usually cheaper and healthier than buying prepackaged or ready-made options, but it takes a lot of effort. Not so with the Tokit. Muffins can be whipped up and shoved into the oven in minutes. Biscuits and even pastry are equally easy and fast. Other fast favorites include smoothies and juices, all whipped up in seconds. The pre-programmed recipes and guided cooking functions mean that even a complete kitchen novice can follow the step-by-step instructions and produce things they may have never made before, such as pizza dough. It even comes with a variety of handy accessories like a steamer set, slow-cook plug, mixing bowls, a whisk, and a scraper, making it perfect for whipping up all sorts of delicious recipes at the comfort of your home.